Checking in. 2947. This is a studio. There's a full bathroom when you first walk in, with a tub. Cool design. A very volcano style. Comes with H2O products. Some towels. Waste basket. I don't think there's some dryer, hair dryer, empty. Some cool artwork here. Pretty big bathroom. There is a awesome little closet with lots of, there's an iron, waste clothing basket, hamper, extra pillow and blanket. Get a safe down here. Ironing board. And then here you have another bathroom. It's not quite full, but it is another, there's a shower in here. Little there's a hair dryer. I got the H2O products. Nice blue for Hawaiian Islands. There's also a little kitchenette. Turn the light on here. Got a toaster, coffee maker. The blender is ours. We brought it from home, so not a part of the room. We have a refrigerator which actually hit crumbs. You can kind of see them there. Some crumbs in there, but we cleaned them out. And we have a little refrigerator, microwave, and then lots of paper products and spoons and things like that. You also have a pull-out bed here if you have a little one. Got Lilo and Stitch there. Nice little bed with a light, and there's a light switch as well to turn it out. Pretty cool. Goes off when you put this up. Nice flat screen TV. Beautiful bed. Lovely artwork. Really cool lamps. Looks like a queen bed. Put the lights on here. And then you have a nice living sitting area. This is a pull-out couch. And then you have a coffee table. Opens up. And then you have Tiki Man here. Tiki Man is welcoming you to the Polynesian. And then out here we have a couple nice wicker chairs, table, and that's our view outside. There's a pool view right there behind these bushes. So that is our quick room tour of the Polynesian. Standard view. This is Tokelau, the Tokelau building. Pretty cool. Awesome artwork. We're here for 4 days. And oh, they even have dimmer switches. That's sweet. So you can dim the lights. It's a nice touch. You see we have dimmer switches? So cool. And then there's a phone. So that is a quick tour of the Polynesian Tokelau standard view with a little pull-out bed here.